we are going to create a new project, okay? But whenever you join in the company, by default already projects will be there. Okay, you no need to do this. Okay, so but think like we are going to create a new project, something like that. Okay, I'm going to create it. So you can select a private or public, that is okay. I'm going to create repository, but we will not have more private repositories options. Okay, that is okay. Create private repository. Okay. So now I created a project, right? Okay. Suppose by default there will not be no files at all because we did not write our payroll. Like this is our first day. Think like this is our first day. So now we are going to have empty, right? So where is this project is there? This project is there in the bit bucket. Okay. This project is there in the bit bucket. Now I want to copy it to my machine, right? Okay. So that is the reason I'll go to my folder. Okay. So I'll go to here and I'm going to write a project something like this. Okay, wherever this technology is there, you can go to that folder, and I'm going to create a new project. Okay, I will say payslip management, something, anything, whatever the name you want to keep it, you can keep it. Or by default, what I will follow is, so what is the company I am going to work out? So I'll keep my company name. So I'll say Trinits Technologies because now I'm working in the Trinits Technology. So I'll keep like this. Okay, and now I want to check out this one. Okay, this checking out will be we can do in a n number of ways. Okay, so for the first way is I will do it in the command prompt way, and later we'll go for some other way. So there is a clone option is there, right? Click on clone, so automatically they will give full URL. Okay, so copy here. Okay, and go to your command prompt. Okay, and I'll go to my folder. Where is my folder? Trinits Technology, right? Right click here and go to, either you can try in two ways. Go to git bash here. Okay, click on git bash. Okay, so once it is open, it will by default. Make sure that you are in the Trinity Technology folder. Just right click and paste this one. Okay, and click on enter. Whenever this is enter, what will happen is for first time, whoever it is doing for first time, they will be facing one error by saying set the username, password, or authentication, something like this. Okay, so when error is coming, they will ask there will be one dialog open here, and click on browser, so automatically it will open. Like when you have a error, I will tell you. So this now, so what will happen is you can see read the lines. So automatically you see there is a project called payroll. So this is downloaded from the there, correct, right? So if you go here and automatically git ignore and readme two files are down. And there is another file also .gat. Gat means this is a git folder. This is a git folder. I want to see whether this is really working or not. Okay. So now what I will do, I'll go to this website. Okay, and here I'm going to create a new file. Okay, here we can go to create a new file. Go to create a new file here. So there is a new file source. I can files. Okay, okay, okay. Let me edit. So first thing is I have downloaded the file. Now I want to see some small commands, some 10 commands is there, not more than that. Okay, first I want to say where is my folder? Trinits Technologies is there, right? But I have downloaded what is my folder name? Payroll. Okay, from here you want to go to that folder. How will you change it? Cd means what? Change the directory. What is my project name? Payroll. Enter. Okay, so now I change it to the payroll. Sir, I don't want to do like this. Close this one, go to your folder. Okay, go to payroll. Okay, inside the show more option, git bash. So both are same only. You can do a cd or you can open in a manual, both are same. Okay, now I want to see whether this is a real git branch or not. Okay, first command is git branch branch. Okay, and enter. So this will tell that whether this is a git project or not. Okay, so what it is telling, git branch master. So that means there is a master branch is there. I will tell you what is the master branch. So now this is a branch. Okay, now I want to open this in the my this one Visual Studio Code, or you can open in any other Eclipse or whichever thing. So I'll go save this and I'll open a new project. Okay, like this. Now I have opened it. Okay, now I don't have anything here, right? Okay, here I'm going to generate a new project. How to generate a new project? Ng generate something like this. Or so instead of this, I'm going to create a new file. I will say first component, first dot component dot ts. Some example only. Okay, here I will say how to create a class. Export class something test. Okay, first something. So simple only. I'm not writing anything. Let it. So now I have created one file, right? I want to send this file to from my machine to that separate bit bucket is there, right? I want to send from here to there. Okay, but if you see here in the Visual Studio Code, what it is saying, master. Okay, so whenever you are using your IDE, automatically your IDE will detect which whether this is JIT project or not, something like this. Okay, I will tell you how to do it from the J here. First, for now we'll go with here only. Okay, so now I will say now I have created one file, right? I want to see whether I created any file or not. Okay, there is a command called JIT status. What is the second command we are checking, JIT status? Status, what it will do, it will tell that whether you are creating any new files or not in the project, something like this. You can know that. Okay, so what is the command? JIT status. It will tell you currently which branch you are, which branch I am there, master branch. That is okay. And what are the files it is there, first data component. It is showing the red color, right? That means you are creating a one new file which is not there in the bit bucket. Correct, right? Now I want to add this project here and I want to send to the there. Okay, to the bit bucket. Okay, so I want to do in the from command line first time. Okay, so see, there is giving hint, they are saying a JIT add and file name. What they're saying, JIT add a file name. So I'll say JIT add, what is my file name, first data ts file. Okay, I will say first dot ts file. Okay, just type fir and tab, automatically it will complete the entire file name. Okay, and enter. Okay, I'm going to enter. Now again I will say JIT space status. Now what it is saying, earlier this was showing in the red color, now it is showing in the green color. Correct, right? So there is a difference, right? Okay, so this is called there is a like now you are maintaining, this is your mission. Inside your mission, now this is your project, okay, this is your project. Okay, inside the JIT there will be mainly two areas, one is staging area, another is a normal area. Okay, so this is a staging area and another is a normal area. Okay, so this is by default, whenever our writing our code, it will be there in the unstaged. Okay, what is the first stage, unstaged. Unstaged means I have written some code and all code will be there in the unstaged. That means whatever your code is there, it is there with your only. You did not save to your JIT or you did not save to the their like bit bucket code. It is available in your machine only. Now what I want to do, I want to move this file from here to my staging area. Okay, that is the command we have added a JIT add. What is the command we have added a JIT add? Now what will happen is this file will move from here to here, this file will move from here to here. This is nothing but a staging area. Okay, staging area. Okay, that means your copy is locally saved, not pushed to anywhere, but your copy is locally saved. Okay, now I want to go and check it whether, so now it is showing the green color, right? Green color means your file is tracking. Now your file is a tracking. Now I want to move from here to there, where bit bucket. Correct, right? Now I need to say a command called JIT commit -m. What is the next command, commit. Okay, commit -m for message, -m for message. Okay, I will say what is the message I am adding, I have added new component, right? I will say added new component. Okay, like this. Okay, and I'm going to write like this, commit. Okay, so this commit, what it will do, it will save your changes in your machine. Okay, in your machine only, not in the bit bucket, okay, now what I will do, I'll go to bit bucket and I'll reload this page. Let us see, is there any new file is added here in this project? No new file, only two is there, right? Now you are saving your file in your machine only, but not at push. Now I want to push from my local to my machine to bit bucket. Okay, now I want to use another command. Okay, now fourth command is JIT to push. What is the fourth command, JIT to push. Okay, push. Now what I am trying to do, I am pushing from my local to where? Now what it is done? It is done everything, right? Package and everything. Now I'll go to my browser. Okay, I'll go to my browser and let us reload the project. See, where is the first component is generated, right? So think like this. Now suppose in the project there are two people are there. Okay, suppose first developer one is there, developer two is there. So suppose both are, they want to work on a same file, same project. So second developer also should not create the new project. What you want to do, you want to download that or check out that project, right? Okay, so now I'll go to think like this is a payroll. Trinits, like payroll is a first developer. I'm going to create a new folder. Okay, I'll say new folder dev2. Okay, dev2 is nothing but another developer in another new machine. So what another developer need to do, ma? First you need to download the project, right? So the downloading project we will call it as checkout. Okay, whenever you are joining the project, they what will say, hey Sudhakar, check out the project, check out the project. Okay, they will say name like this. There is no command check. Okay, so check out the project. Now what I have to do, ma? I have to go to my Git. Okay, click on clone. Okay, copy the URL. This is a second developer. I am a second developer. Okay, I'll go here. First time he's also set up in mission. So sometimes I can use this or I can use a jitter. Both are same only. Okay. What is the URL I am doing, ma? Just git clone. See what is the command, ma? Whenever you want to check out, what is the command? Clone. Okay, git clone that URL. Okay, automatically it will do. Enter. Now second developer also setting up his environment. Now let yeah, once it is downloaded everything, the second developer what will do, ma? Let me see. This is second developer. See, automatically for second developer also first file came, right? Now what he is doing is he's uploaded, like he's opening this in the Eclipse or whatever IDE, a new window. I'm going to open a new folder. Okay, that folder, that second developer will create, modify that first component, and he will add some more things. Okay, let us open that project. Where is the second project? I will copy this, and I am opening in a new project. Okay, so this is this work is doing by second developer. Okay, so what second developer is doing, he's creating a new file, second dot component dot ts file, and as well as he's changing here also, he's saying add the new lines something. So he's adding some new lines of code here. Okay, the second developer is adding a new code. Okay, so now what is the second thing he has to do, ma? Again you will say git status. You'll say okay, because I need to move to that folder, right? Let us cd, how to change it, payroll. Okay, let us see. Okay, now I need to command, what is the command, ma? Git status. I want to verify whether my first git command or not. See, this is a master only. What it is saying, one command it is in the red color, right? Okay, that is okay. And second color, second command is a something. Now I want to save this change. Now tell me how to do it, ma? Git add, what is my file name? Second data ts. I will say second dot, just sc and type tab, automatically it will complete the line. So add it. Okay, now I want to modify this one, right? Let us say git status. So now what is the one? Now second is added. Now I want to add this file also. Tell me how to do it. Git add first component. Now add it, right? Okay, clear. Now I want to see the status, git status. Now both color and saying the green color means now I am saving, like those are in the staged area. First, as per the picture, by default it is available in the first part. When I'm adding it, it is going to the second part, staging area, right? Now I want to save these changes my locally. And now what is the command I should type it, ma? Git commit hyphen m for a message. I'll say double quotes. I'll say changed first file, changed first file and added a new file. Okay, something like this. Okay, and what I will do, commit. So once you commit, what will happen is it will save in your machine only. It will not go to the bit bucket. Okay, if I want to push my changes to there, what I have to do? I have to say git push. What is the command? Git push. I'll say. Okay, now I'll enter git push. Automatically my code will go to the where, into the project. Okay, so now which developer this code is doing, ma? Second developer, right? Let us go to first my project and check it whether this code is coming or not. Let us reload here. Okay, see, second component is coming, first component. I will open a component here, and this line is added, right? Okay, now both line is added. Now he has added some changes, right? Now first developer want to get these changes. Already he has this project, right? If I don't have this project, what I will do, ma? I'll go here, I'll go to my git project. I'll go to my git project and I'm going to clone it. Already I have this project. Second developer also already opened this project. Where he has opened it, ma? See, already is my second developer also, first developer also opened it here. Okay. Already second developer also opened this project. But what you want to do? You don't want to check out. Check out means you want to download again. Daily you don't need to check out, ma. Only one time we want to check out. per developer. Okay, now already check out, but I want changes. Who done the changes? The other guy, right? So that is the reason I will say git. Now this time pull. What is the command I'm going to do it? Pull, because my friend other developer has committed some changes. I want to get that changes from Bitbucket to my local. Okay, so if I want to show this one, I'll open my folder here. I'll open my folder. I'll go to my projects. Okay, D drive, work folder, and there is a Angular apps, Trinits technologies payroll. So how many files here have it? Second component is not there. Okay, so now I'll go to here. What is the command I should write? Git pull. Okay, so whenever you are writing git pull, what it will do, it will go to Bitbucket. Hey Bitbucket, anybody, any of my project members has committed any changes or not? So all the changes you will get downloaded here. See, all the changes it will download here. Now you can see the two files came, right? If you open your project, and see this second component came, first component came, correct, right? Now suppose if there is any problem came, I want to see who has done this work, who done the changes. I want to verify all the changes. Okay, so first here I can say git log. Okay, git log. Okay, so whenever you are saying git log, you can see this is currently in which branch. The developer name is Sudhakar, and his email is something, and at what date he has done the changes, Saturday, and he has added, what is the message he has added? Changed the first file, added the new file, and all the logs you will get it here, all the logs. But I want to see which line he's added, what are the lines you want to do it, everything I want to check it manually. Okay, so I'll go to my git branch. Okay, here open any component, and there is a right click here, annotate option is there. Okay, click on annotate. So here it will open here. So see, this is the username I want to see. This is the username which is entering, and this is the date. These two lines are added by one user. This is user by another user. Since I am using the same username, I am seeing all the names same, but it will differently show what are the username, which user, everything they will show it, in which line, which they are doing, everything they will get it. Okay, but now what I wanted this with this one, like you can now what I have done. First time I have checked out, and then what I have done, I have done some changes, I commit it and I push it. What is the other developer will do? They will pull the code and they will write the code. Okay, so same thing now I want to do with the Visual Studio Code. Okay, now this is my first developer code. Okay, how can I say whether my first developer is code? So if this file is belongs to Trinits Technologies, reveal in the Explorer, Trinits this is a first developer. Okay, now I want to do some changes. I will say second file, okay, something. Okay, modify something. Now I want to do with the same thing here. I want to do with the in the from Eclipse or whatever this one. Okay, now I don't need to go to every time. I don't need to go to command prompt, git add, git push, git commit. I don't need to do all those things. Very very simple. Once you are done with everything here, there is another tab here, right? Click here. So there is a showing, you can click here. Okay, so whenever I'm clicking, I can see the difference. In this first file there is no lines of code. In second file I'm showing green color, right? That means this is the lines he is adding today. These are the lines code he has done the changes, but earlier there is no code here. Okay, now this is okay, this looks okay. I will click on this plus button is there, right? I will click on save changes. This is equal to git to add that file name. We have done that file manual, right? Git to add that one, right? This is equal to this one. I want to prove it whether that is correct or not. Just to go to your git and just to say git status. See, it is showing the green color, right? When it will show the green color, whenever we are adding to the staging area, now automatically showing the green color, right? Now I want to commit these changes. Okay, once I added, now I need to send message, right? So there is a message box here. Okay, there is a message box here, right? So what I will say added new code in the second project. Okay, second line, something like this. Okay, and there is a commit button, right? This is equal to git commit. This is equal to git commit -m. Okay, I'll commit. So that's all committed, done. Now I want to push it, right? Okay, you can go here and dot. There is a push button is there, right? Click on push. Okay, click on push, and okay, once you push it, automatically these changes will go to where? Go to the Bitbucket, and I can go and check it. So here I can let us go to Bitbucket and check it. Let us go to my payroll project. Okay, and if you open the Bitbucket, you can see that lines of code. Okay, uh, okay, what is the code I have written? Okay, Push. Okay, let me reload it again. Currently I'm opening this one. Don't show this commits. I don't want to. Let me go to payroll project. Let me open the second. See, there is a file added right like this. Okay, but how second developer will know that? How second developer will know that whether this is a changes or not? Okay, now I will go to second developer. This is my second developer, right? Okay, so here by default, what we'll do? I will say I'll go to my Git tab. Okay, here see, whenever I'm going here, what it is doing? One down arrow, right? Down arrow means already some of your developer committed some changes in the bit bucket. Now what you need to do? You need to take the Git pull. Now what you need to Git pull? So simple thing, you can go here and you go to this tab and right click here. What is the option? Pull. That's all. Okay. If any other developer is committing the changes, what you need to do? Pull. Okay. If you are committing, you need to do a push, something like this. We can do it. Okay. This is normal behavior. Okay. But what will happen is whenever we are developing large changes, suppose I want to do a company project, company model is there, right? I am generating a lot of changes. Whenever you are generating a lot of changes, okay. Now what is the branch here? I'm having it master. So all your developers, all like if you have 30 members, all 30 members will work on this branch only. Suppose one fellow is doing something wrong, what will happen? Everybody will impact it or not? Every developer will get impacted. That is the reason. Now what will happen is whenever we are writing a new project, we should not work on the master branch. Okay, we need to create our own branch. We need to create our own branch. First we will see in the command prompt, then we will see in the IDE. Okay, so I'll go to my branch here. Okay, I'll say Git branch first. Let us see which branch I am there. What branch I am there? Master branch. Okay, I am there in the master branch, or I can go here. Any developer I can go. Okay, so Git branch. What is the master branch? Is there, right? Now what I want to do? I want to create a new branch. Okay, I want to create a new branch. So how to create it is Git. Okay, to create a new branch, the option is checkout. What is the new checkout? Okay, checkout. So what is my branch name? I want to create it. Suppose I will say my branch name is, for everyone they will give one ticket, one Jira ticket. Okay, so my Jira ticket is like SS or Trinits. Okay, I'll say Trinits -2. My ticket name is this one. Okay, so I'll say Git checkout and I'll enter like this. Okay, did not match with the files known to Git. Okay, let me Git checkout. I'll say -B. Enter the name. Okay, Trinits -2. Okay, now what is the command I'm giving it? Git checkout b for branch option. Okay, and this is my branch name. But if you go to Git by default, just to go to my project. Okay, here there is only one branch is there, master only is there, right? Okay, let us reload the project. There will be only one project, one branch only here. Okay, everybody is working on that branch. Now what this developer is, he's created a new branch. You want to push these changes, then only there it will come. Okay, now I will say Git how to check the which branch I am there. Git branch. Okay, I can say Git branch. Which branch now? It is showing the Trinits. That means you are working on the new branch, not on the master branch. Now, if you do any changes here, it will not impact to any other developer. It will not impact to any other developer. Okay. Now, what I will do? I will create a new file. Okay. Go and create a new file. I will go. I will go here, or I'm going to write a new function. Okay. I will say function. Uh, okay. This is a TS file, right? Okay. Hello, something like this. Console dot log of console dot log of test, something like this. Think like you are going to do a lot of changes here. Okay, and once you are done, automatically you go to either you can go here or you can go to here also. Git status, and now what you need to do? You need to add to the staging area. How to add it? Git add the file name. So instead of doing like this, what I can do? I can go to my Visual Studio Code. I just can click on just plus button. Okay, automatically now I need to commit these changes, right? I enter some message, implementing the new feature, okay, new feature. I will click on commit. Okay, So committing will not do anything, ma. Committing will not do anything. Okay. So it is still it is there. What it is asking? Publish your branch. Okay. Publish your branch. Okay. Let us see in the console and let us will go there later. Okay. So now if I am say already committed, now I need to push it right. I will say git push. Earlier, what is happening, ma? Automatically push is happening. Now see what is the error I am getting it. The current branch is Trinits to no upstream branch. That means there is no this type of branch in the your bit bucket. Do you want to create new branch or not? Like this it is asking. Okay. And it is giving hint also. If you want to push it, you run this command. Okay. I will copy this command and run it. Okay. Enter it. That's all. You don't need to do anything. Just copy that whatever the line it is showing it, enter it. Okay. So let us enter. Now it is done right. I will go to my github here and I will reload the project here. Okay. Now if I am going here, there is a new branch it is added. So Trinits to right. And if you go here, this branch is like a, you can do separate space, ma. Same project only. Your code will not give, this code will not be available in the master branch. This will be separate things. Okay. Now think like I am everything I am done. I am the second developer is like we are going to develop that payroll project, right? For one guy I have given a component. So one guy, another guy I am given an employee. For another guy I am given a another one. Okay. We are going to develop each our model, and once we are done we are going to push it, right? Finally I want to merge this code to master, right? For this reason there is a, we have to create a pull request. What do we have to do? Pull request. Okay. So go to this pull request tab, click on create. Okay. Click on create. So here in the left side you need to select from which branch you want to pull request. Suppose you have only one branch, master branch, then pull request is not required. When you have multiple branch only, we want a pull request. Now I will select the Trinits to, and which branch I want to merge it, master branch. I will select master. Okay. Here I will write a description. What is the description? And like I have implemented this feature, add is there, delete is there. I will write more things. Okay. And finally I will add a reviewer. Okay. Suppose this guy is my team lead. Okay. This guy is my team lead. Okay. Now what will happen is I will enter his name and I will create a pull request. Okay. Now what will happen is whenever I am entering his name, create a pull request, immediately one mail will go to that my team lead. Okay. Your team some Sudhakar is created one pull request. Go and check it. Okay. Now my code will not be there. What is my code? I have written one hello function, right? If I go to my first developer, right? I'll go to my first developer, and if I go to my component, there is no hello function. Even if you are taking git pull also, hello function will not be there because he's working on a separate branch. I am working on a, which branch I am working? Master branch. But second developer is working on which branch? He's working on a other branch, Trinits 2 branch. Okay. So see, other branches work. So that is the reason you will not get that change. If you want to get that change, I need to merge it, merge it. That is the reason I have created a pull request, right? So what is my team lead will do? He will log into his credential. He log out. He will log into his own credentials. Okay, and he will think he will come here. He will think, okay, you will come here. Okay, Sudhakar is okay. He's writing console.log. He will say, hey Sudhakar, in production code we should not write the console.log. We should remove all this code. He will go on his login. He will write click button. I will say. Remove this console code, remove this console code, something, because whenever we are deploying our code to the release means ng build, we should not write this console.logs. Okay, you will give a comment. This is nothing but a code review comment. Okay, code review comment. He will save it. Okay, whenever he is saving it, what will happen is immediately I will get one email. Okay, immediately I will get one email to my email, whichever the email I have logged in. I will get one email saying particular developer, particular whatever the his name, he has given a one code review comment. That is nothing but like this. I will get one email. So like this, I will get one. Whenever I got email, now what is my responsibility, I have to go open my PR. PR means pull request. People will say PR. PR means a pull request. Okay, PR. And what is the code he has given? Remove this code, right? Now I need to go to my project. Okay, I need to go to my project. I will say original logic and I will remove this code. Okay, this is the what my TL suggests, right? I will remove this code. I will save it. Now what I need to do? I need to again my push my code to the server. Okay, again I will go here. I'll click on add button here because see, earlier add button is there. Now I have removed it. That is okay. Now I want to show this one. Let me say. Okay, see here, this is the line. Earlier it was there. Now what I have done? I have removed it. Red color means you are removed some line. Green color means you are adding some line. Okay, Now I will click on add it. Okay. Now this time what I will say? I will say address the code review comments. Address the code review comments because I am addressing my TL comment, right? I will say commit. Okay. Once I will commit, what I need to do? I am going to do push. Okay, push. Okay, once you are pushing it, what you need to do? Go to your pull request, and there is a reply button is there, right? Go there. Hey team lead, I have addressed your comment. I will say address your comments. You need to reply it, then only he will know that okay, he has given a code review and you are addressed. Okay, and save it. Okay, and if I reloading this page, right, automatically let us reload this page, because he see automatically this line is I have removed it, right? That means he has given a comment, I have removed it. That means whatever he is telling, I have addressed it. Now he is okay. Okay, he has done very excellent coding. This is okay, and there is approve button, right? He will click it. Who will click this approve, your team lead will click approve. Once this is approved, that means then only your code is okay. Until that, your code is not at all okay. You have to repeatedly do it. He say, hey, this color is not good. Again, you have to go and change it. This button is not locating correctly. Again, you need to go and change it. Until there is no approve button, you have to do the changes. Now he has approved, right? Once he is approved, there is a merge button is there, right? So we can click on the merge button. Okay, so and you will click on merge button, and so there is a close. So we don't want that branch. Once we are going to merge it, that means all our code will copy to the master branch. After that, we don't want that branch. What is that branch, Trinits 2 we don't want. After everything is done, we are going to remove that branch. Okay, I am going to click on merge. So now what will happen? Merge means what, I have developed my project and I have created a PR. My team lead also reviews the code and he is okay with that code and he approved it. And finally, what I have done, merge. Now this means whenever your PR is merged, that means you have developed your project and the code review also done and he is also okay. And finally, you are done. That with that, your developer responsibility is done. Now everything is going to the master. Now what is I will go to my first developer, So I am in the first developer, right? Master branch, right? I'll go to my Git branch. Okay. So whenever I'm going to Git branch, I'll go Git and I'll say, see what it is showing. Three down arrows. That means some other developer has done some changes. Now I need what I need to do? Pull or push? Pull. Whenever the down arrow is showing, that means I need to take the changes from the bit bucket. What I need to do? Tell me. I'll go. So instead of going right click here, pull, simply I can click on this one. If this is an option is available, you can go and do it. So what it will do, it will do automatically pull. That same thing only. Go and click pull, it will do it. Now I'll open here. Automatically hello function is there. So if he is writing 100 number of lines, all code it will get it here. Okay, like this. Okay, now I got it right. So with this one, now what we have done? So second developer is pushing some changes, first developer is downloading. And same way, first developer also can create a new PR and the team lead will approve. Again, he will merge it, then we'll go to the something. This cycle will keep on rotating. Okay. So now the first thing is now we'll go for some real-time project. Okay. So now we have developed one project, right? What is the project we have developed, payroll project, right? Okay, I'll go here and I'm going to remove everything. Okay, I'm going to remove first component, second component. I'm going to remove it. I want to copy my real project. Okay, so that is the reason I'll go to Angular apps. Okay, and I'll go to my payroll. Okay, I'm going to copy everything. Okay, I'm going to copy everything apart from the git folder alone. I'm going to copy everything. Okay, and dast is not there, and node models are not required because that is auto generated, right? Now I'll copy this one and I'll go to my project. Where I'll go to you can go to anything, any project. You can first developer or second developer. Okay, I think I have gone to the first developer, payroll. Okay, dev2, right? Dev2 payroll. Okay, I'm going to paste it here. So this is how now we are going to see where we are going to see how real project we are going to save it. Okay. So now the second developer, like what has done is he has committed all the changes. Entire project is ready now. And first developer is having only sample code, 1 or 2 files is there. Okay, right? Now whenever I am opening in a second developer, this is my second developer, right? See how many files are it is showing it. For changes, 98 files it is showing. That means I have today I have coded for 98 new files. Daily you cannot code like this. Correct, right? This is a new file. Now I need to add all these files to the git, right? How can I say? Plus button. Automatically it will add to the git. But if I want to do the command prompt, how to do it? I'll say git status. I need to add each file, man. Git add. I need to add each file. Okay, something like, so I can do it instead of doing like this. What I can do simply, what I can do, I'll go on, going to click on a plus button. Okay, so now all files will be added. Okay, all files will be added. Okay, that is done. I'll close this one, I'll close this one. Okay, now what I need to do, I will say uh, uh, implemented the, okay, implemented the payroll project. Okay, payroll project. Okay, and I am going to commit it. So who is the, okay, but see which branch I am committing, ma Trinits 2 branch. This branch is already removed it. Okay, this is the problem. Most of the time we are going to get it. Okay, so you need to switch back to your master branch. Okay, you can click here and there is a master branch. Sir, I don't know how to do this. I want to do from the command prompt. Okay, so how to do this, ma JIT, how to check it whether which branch I am there. JIT status, which branch I am there, Trinits 2. Which branch I want to go to, JIT, which branch, master, right? Okay, so I will say checkout master. Okay, JIT checkout master. Now I'll say JIT status. Now tell me which branch I am there, ma. I'll click on, okay, so now tell me which JIT status. See which branch I am there, master, right? Okay, and it is saying three commits I want to behind it. First I need to say, so whenever your code is saying like this, your branch is behind the three commits, that means you are not with the latest Bitbucket server. I want to pull it, JIT pull, so you will get the latest code. I have added all my changes in another branch, right? Same thing I have to do it now. Okay, if I open, if I open this file, right, this is my dev2 only. Where is my files? Where is my files? Everything is in your machine only. Where is all your files? It is all your files is there in another branch. If you check out in another branch, all files automatically will come. If you are going this branch, all files is gone, right? Now that is the reason. Now I am going to do it again. I am going to remove this one and I am going to paste it all the files. That branch I have removed it. Okay, I want to remove from a local also. How to remove from the local? So I want now, this is a command, how to delete a branch. Okay, JIT branch. Okay, -d for delete. Okay, which branch you want to delete, ma? If you don't know the which branch you want to, just type JIT branch. Which branch I want to delete? Trinits-2. Okay, and I will say JIT branch. What branch I want to -d? What branch I want to delete? Trinits-2. Okay, copy it, paste it. What it is saying? If you are sure you want to delete, that is fine. Now it's a JIT branch. Again you type it JIT branch. How many branch it? What is there? It's saying you enter capital D, boss. Don't enter small d. What it is saying? It is telling the hint. Okay, let me run it. That branch is, let me see. Let JIT branch. See, branch is not there. Once it is merged, that is not, that branch is not at all required for us. That's all. Okay, that's all. Now which branch I am there? JIT branch. Arabian says branch. Branch is there. Okay, now if you go to my Visual Studio Code, see all my changes are there because earlier I have done in another branch. Now I am doing a different branch. Same thing. Just to add it. Okay, say what is the message I want to do it, ma? Added payroll project. Okay, payroll project. This is okay, and I commit it. So once you are committing, what you need to do? It push. Actually, you need to create a PR and that process we need to follow, but I'm trying to do like this. Okay, let me do it. So once you are doing JIT push, it will keep on. Once this is done, now go to first developer, ma. Go to developer one. Okay. So here this is master. If you open this file, how many files I have it? Only 3 files. How to check out, ma? You no need to check out. What I need to do? Pull, JIT pull. Go to here. Right click. Pull. Okay. Just wait here. Check it here. Now if you open here, see SRC is there, app is there, components is there, everything is there. Now the first developer had done one mistake. What mistake he has done? He went to services and he went to the payrolls, he went to the company services and he has done one mistake. What is the mistake he has done is he has removed the type and delete option. Okay, where is the delete option? Here I want to add the ID. Okay, I want to add this is I want to fix it. Okay, so let us save it. And if you go here, if you check out here, ma, So this is the, you will see the difference. Okay, the left side whatever you are seeing, this is your current project. That means whichever is available in the bit bucket. Right side whatever you are seeing, that means your copy, whatever you are doing changes. Okay, and whatever the changes you are done here, ma. Earlier here there was no ID, but here what you are trying to do, ma, you are adding a plus ID. That means you are adding one line, right? So it will show you which line you are adding. Suppose by mistake what I have done, by mistake only, okay, I went here, I removed this method, by mistake I removed it. Okay, and whenever I'm going to commit it here, I'll see here. Now what is the line it is showing it? You are removing, boss. Whenever you are coming here, you can know your whether you are doing correct or not. You can come here. Okay, I don't want this. You are doing by mistake, right? I don't want to commit these changes. Simply arrow button it is there, right? Simply this one. So now what will happen? Your save changes will be there. Okay. I don't want to do this one. Here I want this revert button is there, right? Click on here, discard.